Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another charting session. Today we're gonna be going over what happened today, what trade I caught today, what we're looking for tomorrow, and what the weekly narrative is looking like. And yeah, let's get right into it. Today is October 16th. Damn, bro. You know they can see the chat, right?
You sound like my voicemail. Give me a call
Yo,
next
yo,
time you
yo.
hear
All right, bro. All
it.
right,
Yo,
all
yo,
right,
yo,
all
it's
right. Fuck you.
Nick.
All right. Yo, yo. Okay, okay. Sure. My fault. My fault. My fault. All right. Yeah. So let's get into it. So going into the day, we had this 4 hour FEG mitigated on ES. So let's mark that out real quick. I'm getting fucking flamed right now, but it is what it is. Um, Yo, it's your boy Akram. Dude, okay, okay. So yeah, we had this 4 hour mitigated on ES, showing us weak signs. I was honestly expecting us to reverse back up, and have a run up overnight, feeling more of this imbalance here, but we obviously didn't get that. So I started looking for shorts off the open, off the open here on ES and NQ as well. So let me put this in replay mode on. Hold on. Make sure to slap it like. All right. What? Um, right here at market open, we just start flooding to the downside. There wasn't really much for us to do here. But what I did mark out and what I did notice was we had an SMT. We had a lot of bearish SMT at these highs. So another thing I noticed as well was ES had equal highs here, like four stacked equal highs here, four wicks at the same level, right? And also at the same time, if we go to, let's say, a 1 hour chart, we also had stacked lows here at the same price, right here. So this is what we're going to be targeting tomorrow, right here. Stack lows to the exact tick. So let's go into today. Hold on. So yes, we had these equal highs. It started looking like a power of three accumulation, manipulation, distribution. But on NQ, I was waiting for more manipulation. I was super bearish biased just because that 4 hour on ES was being held. And I just wanted to see a continuation towards those equal lows, like I stated, like the equal lows down here. And so I was looking for bears the whole time. And today was a super patient day. I wanted 10 a.m. reversal, and then I wanted it to be in my favor. So as in 10 a.m. we pull back up, and then that reversal will be a manipulation up into some sort of 5 minute fair value gap or whatever, and then we keep continuing to the downside. That's what I wanted. And so I was just staying patient, staying patient. I'm not confident enough to slap along here just because we have SMT at these lows. We had equal lows down here on ES, so we could very easily just ran up, tapped this, and then kept flooding down to the downside. So I wasn't very confident in it. Um, and then so that 4 hour is still being held. We have these equal highs. We start running to the upside. Da, 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 da. Let me go back actually. How do you go back on nah, hold on. So let's jump down to like a 1 minute, get a better idea. So right here, at this point in price, we've ran up, but if you look here on ES, let's jump on a 1 minute as well. If you look here on ES, right, we have right at this price, right where we're at, ES fully displaced to the upside, sweeping out these buys here, or this buy side liquidity here, these equal highs, and also mitigating the 4 hour to fully, right, fully filling it. Once I saw that, and I saw that now we formed another SMT on a higher time frame. This is internal manipulation turtle soup into a 4 hour FEG. I was like, okay, cool. So that's exactly what I was looking for. Now we're in OTE of the range. If we pull fib from here to here, we're in OTE of the range. Now we've just had 1 minute FEG, and I slapped a short because yes, it looks like power of three, but at the same time, ES already completed its power of three technically. So my bias was like, okay, this is gonna be our 10 a.m. candle, this whole move up was manipulation, and now we're just going to distribute to the downside. So now we have this T here. Because if you also see right at 10 a.m., we start spooling to the upside. So yes, there's a bottom wick here, but it wasn't enough for me to like, it's not devil's mark technically, but it's also not enough for me to think that this is the manipulation move for our 4 hour. So this whole run up looks like manipulation to me. We've completed the power of free model on ES. SMT at these highs looks super good. And there's also a bunch of bearish SMTs here as well. Like this high was turtle soup on NQ and ES was nowhere near it and all types of shit, right? And yeah, I slapped a short. I think like right around here. And my fill was 37. 37, I still remember. Like 37.5 or some shit. And I just targeted OT of the range. Stop loss here. We tap breaker block as well, so as we're tapping this breaker, it just looks super good. And see it play out. That was it, right? That was the trade. Super quick and easy. In and out real quick. And then I tried another short here. There was an internal turtle soup with SMT as well on a fair value gap. I saw some good profit, and then it came back to stop me out and break even. But that was the trade for today. Super just patient, bro. That's really what I want you guys to take away from this. Is just we were just super patient for our setup today. We weren't trying to rush anything. We weren't trying to force any setup. We weren't trying to do any of that, right? We're just waiting. I'm not trying to chase this long. I'm not trying to chase this short either. I'm just gonna wait. And if I don't see an opportunity to take a trade, I'm not going to take a trade, right? It's common sense. So this is the trade idea. This is the trade setup. This is what made sense to me, and so I took it, and it played out. 250 ticks on the day. I'm happy for it. It's not a bad day at all. Any questions about it as to why I was waiting or whatever? Because honestly, down here we just started displacing up. I wasn't even confident to take a FEG tap here because of the displacement that we had before. And looking back, obviously, it kind of makes sense. We have this power of 3, et cetera, but it was just so bearish for me, and I wanted to see the lows down here on ES that I just like the equal lows down here. It didn't make sense at all for me to slap along if we haven't swept liquidity yet. But now we got this bullish S&T here that drove us up. But I genuinely think now our target for next week, or our target for later this week, is going to be more shorts. I think we're gonna keep shorting, and this is just a healthy pullback because now we have, if we remove this replay mode, hold on. Now we have crazy bearish SMT, right? Crazy internal manipulation. It looks insane. Here, bro. It looks insane now, right? We have SMT at these highs. Fill this out. And it looks really clean, right? Now what I'm expecting is we run this 4-hour inverse hopefully by tomorrow, and then we start seeing lower prices to these equal lows down here, and then these lows as well. This looks like it's forming a market maker sell model. Structure is showing down. We have a huge move down, and accumulation, and another move. Yeah, exactly, bro. So we've got the internal manipulation now. We got the internal turtle soup. We've got buy side liquidity here, mitigating the 4-hour FEG. And we also ran, you guys need to note that the reason why I'm so bearish is we ran this huge 4-hour inbound. Let's mark this out. This bullish imbalance would have held. But we completely ran it. So that's something you need to know. With speed as well, we completely ran it. We're chopped here, internal manipulation. And Nasdaq's still showing us lower price action, or wanting lower price action. So it looks like a formation of a market maker sell. Accumulation, manipulation up. We have our distribution down, pullback, internal manipulation on ES, SMT formed. We should just start, rushing to the downside. Targeting these relative equal lows down here, and then all these lows down here. So that's what I'm looking for this week. That's what I think our narrative is. And yeah. But at the end of the day, we're not trying to predict. Look at the reaction on 4 hour. We're not trying to predict. Price, dude. We're just here to react. To the data shown to us, right? Um, from from the top. Thank you, Jamar. I appreciate you, bro. Uh, the one that caused it. What about it? Yeah, it was. Yeah, it's crazy, dude. We just ran through all of this shit, all of it with speed, bro. No fucks. So this looks like accumulation, manipulation, distribution, and I think we're gonna keep flushing down the downside. We have these equal lows here, equal lows on ES as well. So it makes sense, right? So um, I'm not gonna take anything until it's clear and concise. We're just reacting. We're not trying to predict where it's gonna go. Um, because we could just start, bro. We could easily just disrespect this S&T here and start seeing higher prices again. Keep going back bullish, right? So we'll see what happens tomorrow, and yeah, all this LR here is well formed. So it looks good, bro. Looks good. Also broke structure here with full displacement on IQ. It looks super bearish. We got these lows here. This is full market structure shift. So any questions about that? Is anyone else seeing something else that I'm not seeing? As in like maybe a bullish bias or no, I'm just trying to make some money. For sure, bro. Yeah, bro. The thing is with the daily bias, it's not that like my daily bias usually is pretty it fluctuates, bro. It's pretty loose for the most part. For the most part, going into the day, I'm pretty loose on my bias, just because like it just depends on the setup. It depends on what price action gives us. 10 a.m. gives us all types of shit. I'll let do my yeah exactly. Like I'll just let market do his thing. I'm not trying to force anything or force an idea or anything like that. That's how you get cooked, right? Um, Daily chart. Fully filled the daily FEG at this point now, and we tapped this breaker here, so it makes sense for us to start rejecting here. But at the same time, it literally just looks like a fucking uptrend, bro, and we're not trying to force trades against the trend higher time frame unless it looks dumb clear. But at the end of the day, bro, these setups and all this shit, like the top ticks and the bottom ticks and the narrative and all this shit, bro, this shit does not matter if you're just pressing buttons every day, bro. If you're just like you're just randomly, jumping into trades, revenge trading, all this shit, dude. Like that's the main key. A lot of you guys are like crazy with sniping entries and market analysis and all this shit, bro. But it's like, bro, that literally means nothing if you don't have like good risk management and good discipline and all that shit, bro. That's the main point, because that's what separates a profitable trader from an unprofitable one. It's not your setup or if you trade SMTs or if you trade turtle scoops or whatever. That's not what's gonna make a profitable trader. Because there's people who trade supply and demand and they're profitable. It's because that's me, but I'm working on it. Yeah, bro. Like it's it has to do a lot with the things you do outside of trading, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Yo, discipline your mind and your body, and the money will follow.
Yeah, exactly, bro. Especially with trading, dude. Trading is literally a fucking money magnet if you can understand it. Um, it's just like Nick, please mute. Damn.
Yo, wait, hold on.
It's literally
Who thought that was funny? Hold on, let's see.
no. Yours.
No, they're lucky Richie deleted it.
Yeah. Nah, but bro, it's literally like if you're able to discipline yourself outside of it, you're not putting so much emphasis on trading, bro, itself, and that's where you'll start seeing the most success. Because when you put so much emphasis on trading and like your whole day is based on your P&L, like your whole day's mood and how your day is gonna go is based on your P&L. That's a lot of pressure, bro. So you're gonna be super emotional about your decisions, and you're not gonna be thinking logically. So, but when you start setting yourself up with other things that you do throughout the day, whether that's going to the gym or other priorities that you have besides just trading, then trading starts becoming a lot easier and it starts becoming a lot more consistent.
Hey, you guys in here too that like struggle with payouts on that and all that, look at trading as like a side hustle. Don't look at it as like, in the beginning, don't look at it as like what's gonna make you all this fucking money. Just look at it as something fun you do on the side that you're trying to get really good at.
Yeah, exactly, bro.
Because
Because
if you
if
look
you,
at it like, oh, I'm gonna escape the matrix through this shit, like, you're not making shit,
you're,
bro. Trust.
yeah, you're gonna be way too fucking emotionally attached to it, bro. Way too
Exactly.
emotionally attached. Um, it's literally like, bro. The thing is with trading, bro. If you're in a desperate situation, like, or like you're desperately trying to become successful, there's a difference between desperately chasing it and just wanting it really bad, right? Desperately chasing it, you're gonna be chasing profits, you're gonna be chasing the outcome, and it's just gonna run away from you, bro. It's like happiness, bro. If you just constantly chase happiness, you constantly chase like dopamine rushes, going to clubs, doing all this dumbass shit, and you constantly chase it, you're gonna end up fucking miserable, right? It's the same thing with trading. If you chase profits and you chase payouts and you chase passing your funded accounts to show certificates to your friends who don't give a fuck and all these things, you're gonna end up unprofitable because you're just chasing it. Rather, happiness comes to a person or a man when he's working on himself daily. He's focused on the process every single day, day in and day out, doing what he can, being disciplined, doing all these things. That's when happiness comes to you, right? Because a lot of things get attracted to you. The woman you want, the opportunities, the skills, they all come attracted to you because you're working on yourself and you're focused on yourself. It's the same
Yeah.
thing with trading. If you focus on the process, you're focused on, becoming a better trader, being more disciplined, being more focused on your habits and all these things, then the money will flow like water, bro. The money will flow like fucking water, bro. Like, bro,
No, trust me. Ever since I
H2O.
started working on myself, bro, all the women, bro, take me as an example, bro. All the women been hitting me up. It's crazy. I had to get 2 phones.
I didn't know we were
Yo,
capping on
Richie.
this trading session.
Yo, Richie, bet me up.
I didn't
Yo,
know we were.
I'm fucking
No,
lying, bro.
no,
Hey,
we know, we
McLovin, you
know,
cannot be talking either, bro.
bro. We know. Nah, bro, but seriously, like, focus. Bro got 200 goals. Oh, that shit hurts. That shit
No,
hurts.
hey, trust me. Life is more fun when you're like doing shit for yourself and not for others.
Exactly, bro.
Like, trust.
But yeah, today was a good trading day. Um, Tuesday was as well. Tuesday was a great trading day actually. Fucking top pick the whole move. But yeah, for Thursday we're looking for a continuation down, bro. We got our internal manipulation here on ES. Um, and as long as NQ isn't just running fucking bullish or bearish imbalances and bearish order blocks and invalidating bearish S&Ts, I'm bearish, bro. I'm looking for shorts. I'm looking for shorts until these equal lows and et cetera, et cetera. But yeah, you guys need to focus on more of the fucking shit. Now I know this shit don't work. You guys need to focus more on like with trading, bro. Less is more, bro. Less is fucking more. Like the more you're fucking you're trying to find the best setup. The more you're trying to find uh I don't even know. Like the more you're chasing the profit, the more you want the money and all these things, like you're gonna fail, bro. Less is way more with trading, bro. The less trades you take, the more money you'll make. The less you hunt for the money, the more money you'll make.
Hell yeah, Hacky.
Let's go, Act. Try to find Enigma and
Nah, bro, you're gonna end up like psychotic. Oh shit. I'm messing. Hey, learn how to take losses too. It's
That's
part of the
facts.
game. Cause
Yeah.
like I was looking at the Citadel's reports. Their average losing day is $25 million. Their average winning day is $75 million, and they have like a 73 or like 77% win rate. So think about it. Some
Wow.
days those guys walk out of the office and they're down 25 million. Some days they
Yeah, dude.
pull out 75 to 100 million out their ass.
Yeah,
So
bro. If
think
you
about
if
that. They
you
don't got emotions.
focus on the fucking process, bro. Focus on the journey, not the fucking not what's happening today, bro. Fuck what's happening today. You need to just focus on the journey. What are you going to be 5 months from now? Nothing changes if nothing changes. If today you over leverage and you overtrade and you do all this dumbass shit, and then tomorrow you do the same exact thing, and you do it again and again, you're literally going to never ending fucking fail. Right? There's no like it's common sense, right? If you just keep doing the same dumbass mistakes, you're always gonna get the same dumbass result. So made 5K in 2 days, and the next day I blew the account. Yeah, it's just that's because you're not focused on the habits, bro. If you're focused on the habits, that shit would not happen. Focus on the payout. If every day you're focused on the habits and you're just trying to become a better trader, as in it's the same things with like trying to become a better man. You know what I'm saying? Like going to the gym, staying disciplined, saying no to the things that you used to say yes to, and with like just bad habits, saying no to them. All these things, bro. Opportunities start coming to you, right? Things that you want start coming to you. Same thing with trading, bro. If you just focus on the habits, focus on the process, and you're not worried about the outcome, then the money will start coming. But since your focus is getting a payout, passing your eval, et cetera, obviously you're going to be emotional every single day.
Tony's PFP is amazing, bro.
That is
Low key fresh as hell with this kid.
amazing. Congratulations, brother. But yeah, any questions you guys might have or anything any topics you guys want to talk about? The breakdowns usually are fairly quick with with me at least with charting because my bias gets pretty loose throughout the day. Like obviously I'll have a strong bias into what I want to see for the day, but obviously I'm not gonna fucking fully commit to it throughout the day depending on what I'm seeing. Um, because obviously we're swing traders, or we're not swing traders, we're intraday. So you don't necessarily need to know where the next daily candle is going to print. But yeah, I want to see this S&T hold. I want to see it start running to the downside. Um, whether that be overnight or we just chop around in the zone and then have some sort of manipulation back up and then run it. But at the same time, this ES candle looks fucking bullish, bro. This looks huge. But we'll see. We need to run this 1 hour or this 4 hour fair value gap now on ES. That's the main priority. If we can run this 4 hour, we're fucking chilling, bro. But that's the issue. This SMT is huge now. Hold on. I'm gonna draw this out here. Probably better. But yeah. I feel like here. Also, this trade was really good as well because we had that internal turtle soup on ES. So those are things that I always look for in my trades. If we have internal turtle soup into a higher time frame PD array, which is literally this right here, it's beautiful, bro. Um, those are things I look for that give me confidence. And NQ was just nowhere to be found. NQ just looks so bearish. So internal. This would have been okay. So Adam, this right here, if we have this external liquidity here, if we soup this, that's an external. That's just a turtle soup, normal turtle soup. But since it's in this range, let me clear up the chart. Since we're in this range and we have these equal highs here, price comes up and soups these internally because now we have this 4 hour fair value gap right here. So hold on. Right here. So this is an internal turtle soup deeper into the 4 hour FEG, the higher time frame PD array. So that's why I wanted to see a push lower while forming an SMT. It was a super clean trade, and you only need to catch like 2 of these a week, and you're fucking chilling. But if you just have the patience to catch these and just wait for them, then you're chilling. You're chilling, bro. But if you don't have the patience and you have to press a button every single day, like you're gonna just fail, bro. Because it's we're not here to fucking predict the market, dude. Predicting the market, trying to predict the market is your ticket to failure. The market is random, bro. It's algorithmic, but there's such a slim chance you can catch every move and catch all the SMT trades and the turtle soups and shit. It's such a slim chance, bro. It's an algorithmic market. Don't get me wrong, but bro, you just wait for the A plus setups that you know that you've seen before hundreds of times that you know happen over and over again. Just wait for those, and you'll be fine.
Bro, Akram,
But you,
I don't know what pisses me off more than when somebody sends me like squiggly lines trying to like predict the Asia session. I
yeah,
don't think
bro.
there's anything on this planet that pisses me off more. I'm not
Yeah,
gonna
dude. It's like, bro,
lie. like, bro,
like,
just wait for New York, alright?
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's why I don't
It's
even
like,
touch Asia. If you guys are new, you shouldn't even touch Asia at all.
yeah, because it could either manipulate for the actual move or it can actually have the actual move or what, like whatever you're trying to see. And it's just like, dude, just leave it. Because also what happens in Asia gives you clarity for New York.
Hey, actually, what Matt said is hella good. You were an observer, nothing more.
Yeah,
You literally just
you
reacted and
just
observing.
yeah, just observe the data and make a decision whether that's not taking a trade or taking a trade. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
That's your job.
Alright, boys, I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go work out. Hope you all have a
All
good
right,
night.
well, what are you
Good
hitting?
luck. I'm about to do chest and shoulders with my boy.
Yes, sir. That's what I hit today.
Yeah. I got you. I'll send you some pamphlets.
Bro,
Alright, boys.
what?
Good luck tomorrow. Peace out, everybody.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
yes.
Peace.
Fuck legs, bro. I'm messing. I'm about to take Richie's mod for that pick right there.
Yo, Jeff.
Bro.
Alright, peace, everybody. Later.
Peace, bro. But yeah, that's basically what I wanted to go over, guys. Patience. It's the same thing's gonna happen over and over and over again, bro. It's the same things I'm gonna say over and over and over again. Patience, patience, patience. Wait for your setup, bro. That's it. If you can do that, you'll be fine. And the things that you need to do outside of the chart are like dude, you need to like making trading happen is just like making anything in the world happen. Like anything that you want to accomplish that's like major. Because trading is hard. It's not an easy. All right, Matt. It's not, bro. It's a hard game. People fucking lose their lives over this game, bro. And when you understand that, bro, it's like you have to understand this. People like it's just like anything else in the world, bro. Anything else that you're trying to accomplish. So when you're trying to accomplish a major goal, you need to have direction. You need to know where you're trying to go. You need to become obsessed with the goal. It's the same thing. Like anyone will tell you this, bro. With whether they're doing ecom, whether they're doing Amazon FBA, whether they're doing fucking I don't know. They're running a major corporation. They'll all say the same thing. You need to have a direction. You need to know where you're headed, and and you need to obsess over it and visualize it every day. Write it down every day. Track every single solitary day. You know, what are you actually trying to accomplish? That's what you need to be focused on because, bro, like I've had times where I've had a goal in my mind and then I'll just forget about it. Like I'll be super hyped up for one day and or maybe a week about a goal and then I'll just fucking forget about it. You know, uh, that's happened before. So you need to when you have a goal, you need to visualize it every single day, track every single solitary day, and obsess over it. Get like literally get obsessed over it. Want it as bad as you want to breathe, and then it will happen. But if you just kind of are here to just make like a quick dollar and make some easy money, press some buttons and make some money, bro, you're just gonna end up failing because that's not, bro. Trading takes way more than what you guys think. Way more. It's not it's bro. If you can keep it simple if you want, but if you don't and you're not actually focused and you're not actually like striving to become better, you're gonna just perpetually fail. You're gonna end up just losing money over a long term, and it's just gonna be a waste of time for you. So when you have this goal in mind, or like know where you're headed, know what it takes to get there, and just do it every single day, step by step, step by step, step by step, and then within a year you'll be in a completely different place. But if you're just drifting every single day, just jumping on the chart, seeing what can happen, marking out random shit, and just just trying to find opportunity to jump in a trade, you're just living in it's just a random lifestyle. It's just a random, like, you're just gonna get random outcomes. You know, you need to know exactly where you're headed. You need to visualize it. You need to write it down, obsess over it. Every single day should be dedicated towards whatever you're trying to accomplish. Um, and that takes sacrifice, right? Sacrificing comfortability, sacrificing spending time with friends, family, all that thing. All that shit adds up, dude. Every single day that you sacrifice spending time with your friends and putting it towards the chart, that shit adds up, bro. That shit adds up. One person is profitable, the next person isn't. The other person isn't fucking luckier or anything like that or smarter. That's not the case, bro. There's dumbasses who are really good at trading. Look at fucking Nick, bro. Dumbass motherfucker, bro. He's solid at trading. It's because he's obsessed over it. You know, he's put in the work. He's sacrificed for it. He's focused on himself and he's focused on the habits. He's not a dumbass. That's it. He's not some fucking Greek god. You know. So understand, it's easy. Lay out the plan. It's not easy. It's simple. Lay out the plan day by day. Do what you have to do every single day. Try to genuinely get better, and within a couple months, 6 months, a year, you'll be doing way better than what you're doing now. Obviously, this is a fucking call with 20, 30 people. You know, everyone's in a different situation. Different phase in their journey, etc. So obviously, some of this information applies, some of it doesn't. But yeah, man. Um, like I said, know where you're headed, visualize it, figure out exactly where you want to be in a couple years, and just go for it, dude. That's it. If you're just living a random lifestyle, though, you're just like a feather getting blown in the wind. Like the wind just gonna take you from here to here to here. One day you're happy, one day you're sad, one day you feel great, one day you feel like shit. It's just like, and your actions are just based on how you feel and all types of shit. It's like, dude, you're just gonna end up failing, bro. You're gonna end up failing. So those are some of the words I wanted to drop for you guys going into the second half of the week. Make sure you guys are locked in on what you guys got going on and where you're actually trying to be, where you're actually trying to get in a couple years. Visualize. I'm telling you, visualizing is huge. Visualize where you're trying to be, and don't visualize like the Lambos and the lifestyle and all that shit. Visualize the work, bro. Visualize the late nights grinding, trying to figure it out, trying to, the late nights of it, working out and all these things, and and the grind, bro. Journaling and all these things. Visualize that, bro, because that's what's gonna get you to the end point. Um, but yeah, that's really it for me, guys. What was it? 50 minutes now? 50 minutes, but I think the YouTube video is gonna be a quick 30-minute video. Uh, but yeah, In regards to bias for tomorrow, like I said, pretty bearish, bro. Kind of just expecting this to start just trickling to the downside. We got equal lows down here on ES, equal lows on NQ as well, and also more equal lows down here on ES, like actual equal lows at 850. So huge level there. We got that internal turtle soup manipulation up. NQ looks super fucking bearish compared to ES, and yeah, that's really it. We took this PM session higher, or sorry, lunch session higher here. Started dumping off of it, so it makes sense for us to keep seeing lower prices, guys. But obviously, we're reactive to the market. We're not trying to force any setups. We're not trying to force anything or chase any price action. Let it come to you. When it's A plus, you'll know and you'll take it. But until then, wait. 85% of this is just waiting. Wait. But yeah, that's it for me. In regards to the YouTube, I don't know if I'm gonna post this. I'm gonna have to rewatch it and see if it's actually like worth posting. But uh, yeah, shout out Richie for recording this, and yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Probably Friday night we'll have another trading session going over the week, how the week went, breakdown of all the trades, and um, yeah, that's it for me, guys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Wish you guys all the best of luck with trading this week, and yeah, we'll have a breakdown on Friday, and yeah, be patient, trade safe, don't be a dumbass, and yeah, I'll catch you guys. Peace. Have a good night.